Hello everyone, my name is Tom Sitz and I'm a lieutenant with the Painesville Township Fire Department. I just started my 36th year with them and I have 24 years experience as a company officer riding on 2, 3, and 4-person engine companies. My 4-hour workshop for FDIC International 2020 is called Size of Videos and Tactics for the First Due Engine. Now this is a dynamic and interactive class that is going to focus on the first due engine and the sole tactic of getting the first line in service. We're going to talk tactics for the first due engine, and we're going to review fireground videos that are unedited and start prior to or just as the first due companies are arriving. We're going to break these videos down at their strategic, tactical, and task level, with all the emphasis being placed on the first due engine. Just a small sampling of the stuff that we're going to break down when we look at these videos. We're going to read the fire, we're going to read the building, primarily discussing its building construction and how that can help or hinder us from a fire and attack standpoint. And we're going to read the smoke. When we read the smoke and read the fire, we're going to use that information that we gather to determine the fire's development stage and location. We're also going to talk about points of entry and their pros and cons in relation to fire attack. We're going to talk about points of entry and their pros and cons in relation to anybody that still may be in the building. We're going to talk about their pros and cons in relation to saving any savable property. We're also going to talk about quick water, transitional attack, blitz attacks, and aggressive interior firefighting. We're going to relate those to the pros and cons to the engine, to savable people, and savable property also as we break those down. We're going to discuss and identify flow paths, and after we identify the flow paths, we're going to use the information that we gathered from the flow path to help us determine the fire's location and stage of development. After the videos, we're going to talk about case studies of similar fires and similar styles of construction and occupancies that we just reviewed in the videos. Now when we look at the videos, we're going to concentrate on 3 distinct styles of construction and 3 distinct occupancies. We're going to focus on private dwellings, multiple dwellings, and commercial occupancies that are contained in Type 5, Type 3, and Type 2 styles of construction. And the reason for that is because that's where the overwhelming majority of us will spend the overwhelming majority of our career fighting fires. The majority of the fires that we go to are going to be contained in houses, apartments, or commercial buildings that are found in wood frame, brick and joist, or non-combustible styles of construction. We ought to be really, really good at that stuff. So if you're looking for a class that's going to spend all its time and energy on the first due engine and putting the first initial attack hand line in service, if you're looking for a class where you're going to review unedited fireground videos, where you have the opportunity to participate and share your knowledge with the class as we break the videos down, this is the class for you. I'm hoping to see you Tuesday, April 21st at 1:30 at FDIC International 2020. Thank you.